Hi guys, it's me Anushree and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 23rd of January and tomorrow is the 24th. So actually I'm supposed to go somewhere tomorrow, but I'm vlogging today because I thought I always vlog, but let me vlog different this time. So I thought I'd take you guys with me and show you guys how I pack my stuff for a trip. And to be honest, this time it's quite interesting because I have a lot of things to pack. And I've not yet started packing. I have to leave tomorrow, but I've not even decided what I'm going to take with me, like the clothes and stuff. So without saying too much, I'll take you guys with me and show you how I pack. And yay! So let's go. Come on. I'll even show you guys what are we taking for like eating for like 3 days. We are going for 3 days. So I'll show you guys. It might seem that हम पूरा ऐसा संसार बसाने जा रहे हैं, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Just because we are a lot of people, and obviously when you go on such trips, more than eating like food, you tend to eat junk. So I'm super excited. This is what the situation looks like, guys. Like we are going for 3 days, okay? Not even whole 3 days, but yeah. So we have some snacks here. Oh yeah, and some biscuits. Obviously we are taking Maggie because what even. We are even taking games. We are taking Uno and Patte, if you know what is Patte, and Housey and Monopoly. This is how I pack. First I lay down everything, and obviously I have something to munch on because it's so boring, yeah. So I have this. So I'm contemplating like what will go on what, which will suit what. So this is how it looks, quite organized. So this is all my extras like night dress and swimming dress included. This is a short and a top which I'm going to wear in the morning while going tomorrow. And this is one set that I've paired up. This is just a t-shirt which I'm going to pair with this denim. So I'm going to use this denim twice, I mean the shorts, and this is one jumpsuit. So this is all that I have packed for my clothes. And then for my essentials, I have my moisturizer, my shades, one hairband, and this is for, you know, you can directly connect it to your phone and then click pictures when if there is no one around to click my pictures. Then one lipstick, chai, one lip gloss, one lip gloss, a comb, a pair of an hair clip, obviously my face wash, then my toothbrush, and these are some mints that I require all the time while traveling, and my tripod obviously, and Hajmola. So this is what it looks like. Let us put everything in the bag right now. So the packing of the clothes went quite well and it was quick. It didn't take that much of time. Yeah, I kind of forgot the mask, but yeah, I'm taking these two, and one I'm going to wear it in the morning obviously. So it's later in the day. I took a bath and I'm all fresh. I feel so good after washing my hair, but yeah. So I packed a little bit of stuff that was left, like the games and all, and a little bit here and there. That's it, because I already packed everything in the afternoon. So I just packed the games and stuff, and now I'm just lying. I feel so good because I've just finished all my work. First of all, packing is such a huge job for me because I absolutely don't like packing too much. So I am like relieved now. Also giving you a little summary of what is happening, with whom am I going and where. So I'm going Lonavala. And secondly, I'm going with my whole freaking family. For the first time, I guess I mean, it's not the first time, but I don't know when we went. Like, it's not the first time, but I don't even remember the last time we went. So, like, the whole freaking family, I'm super excited. There is everyone basically. So you'll see them obviously in the vlog tomorrow. So that's happening. So I'm going with my whole family, Lonavala. We've booked a villa. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in the morning, because now I'm just gonna lie down, watch something and sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello. Bye. It's the next day. Today I'm supposed to leave. It's 10 o'clock. I'm ready. But you know, we are Indians, and जो time बोला उसके बाद का आधा एक घंटा ही पकड़ लो. So that's what's happened, because सारी family है तो obviously that's gonna happen. But anyway, I'll tell you what is gonna happen, because I might not be able to speak बीच में, because बहुत much होने वाली है. Because I'm telling you, I just can't vlog when I'm with family. I just can't. So I'm apologizing अभी only. If there is much, please adjust कर लेना बाद में. But अभी we are going to leave, and we have booked like a private car, 6-8 seaters, and then बाकी के लोग are going to take the 2-wheelers like bike and stuff. So I'm going to go on bike, because I'm a little allergic to traveling. I mean, I just don't like traveling by cars to long places, because I feel कि एकदम बस मेरे को बहुत कैसा तो ही होता है. So I like ऐसा open air. So that's why I'm going to go on my brother's bike. So he'll come now. Hi, ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You're on my vlog, bro.
I want to be on a vlog. I don't.
Please say something to people. People like you.
I don't do free publicity. Okay.
Please no.
I charge for all these things. I'm a celebrity.
Oh, go, chalo, go. Where are we going?
So we are going to buy a racket. Basically, which racket?
What is which racket? Racket is a racket.
No, but it's
Badminton racket.
Badminton racket.
Yeah. How lame are you becoming, man? Wow.
We need to come up with something, right?
Say hi. Houseful it is. Houseful. क्या हाल चाल? Hi, are you excited, guys? Are you guys excited?
Yeah. Yes. Too much.
Are you excited?
Yes, say yes.
There's a little problem that's happening. थोड़ी जगह कम पड़ रही है एक दो लोगों की, and the way they are combofying everyone. That is very funny. Oh God. Wait, let me. I just cannot. मैं तो जा रही हूँ बस गाड़ी पे. मेरे को कुछ है नहीं, but I just cannot with them. Yeah, the acting is so funny. Wait, I'll show.
दुसरी गाडी आली गरीब लोक करतच गेले.
आप फिट हो गए अंदर? क्या आपको लगता है आप अंदर फिट हो सकते हो?
नहीं,
हम लोग क्या आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है? तो
हम तो बिल्कुल ही फिट नहीं होंगे.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है इधर बैठ के? कैसा लग रहा है आपको इधर बैठ के इतना कोम्बा कोम्बी में? आपको अच्छा लग रहा है बैठ के इधर? आप कंफर्टेबल हो? प्लीज हाँ बोलो. हाँ कंफर्टेबल हो ना? यस कंफर्टेबल ना? नो बोलने का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. बाय. Boy, are you ready?
Let's start.
Look at this. चलो bye bye. Are you ready?
Please.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Should I sit? Yep.
So what's the speed limit? 20, 30, 80, 90, 160.
160.
Tell me. 160.
160? No. उसके नीचे है क्या कोई? 120?
158.
As long as we
Let's
go
see.
safe. Okay, चलो bye bye. See you. Hi guys. So हम लोग ने एक break लिया है, and my brother was like, I know a spot, I'll take you. So I was like, why not? So, woohoo. I hope I don't fall.
So this is deep.
I like the view. Show them the view.
this video, this spot would be called as monkey spot. So we'll spot a monkey.
So hi guys, I finally reached here क्योंकि रास्ते बहुत खराब थे, but anyways we have reached. So I'll give you guys a quick home tour. Room tour नहीं है ये, मतलब bungalow tour है पूरा. Let's go, come. So this is the door. Coming. पहले ऊपर जाते क्योंकि नीचे सब लोग बैठे हैं. ऊपर आओ. So this is like a full vacant area. Okay, come. Wow! यहाँ पे और एक बेडरूम, मतलब फर्स्ट बेडरूम. ये पूर्ण है. यहाँ पे कबर्ड्स है, वॉशरूम, बेड. फिर यहाँ पे विंडोज है नॉर्मल. वाव, व्यू दिखा कितना सही है. मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है 1 महीना रहो इधर.
तेरा बाप यहाँ छोड़कर गया था कि तेरी माँ.
ठीक है, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट बेडरूम. दिस इज द सेकंड बेडरूम. ये छोटा है, इसमें वॉशरूम, ये सिर्फ बेडरूम है, आई मीन बेड है और एक मिरर है. और इधर किसी ने ऑलरेडी अपना लैपटॉप काम वर्क फ्रॉम होम. इज दैट यू? तुझा कैमरा है, तुझा लैपटॉप है?
यस.
गुड. दिस इज व्हाट इज वर्क फ्रॉम होम गाइस. ओहो. एंड इधर पूरा बालकनी. वाह, मेरा पूरा एको हो रहा है. वाह. तो ये इधर से ऐसा दिखता है पूरा. ओके, चलो कम ऑन. अभी इधर भी कुछ है.
ये रह गया.
क्या? Let's go. वो यहाँ पे भी एक बैल्कनी है छोटी सी. स्मॉल, pretty basic. Come on, let's go. यहाँ पे भी एक बेडरूम है. यहाँ पे एक बेडरूम है. तो yeah, this is also pretty spacious and there's a washroom. यहाँ पे cupboards है. वो क्या है इधर? चलो, तो ये हो गया थर्ड बेडरूम. नहीं सॉरी, हाँ थर्ड बेडरूम. वी गो ऊपर भी है. लॉर्ड. दिस इज टेरेस, नॉर्मल टेरेस है. ओहो, कौन करेगा ये? कितना है ये? I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. बट यहाँ पे क्यों रखा हो? कौन जिम करता होगा यहाँ पे आके? तो ये बालकनी है. बालकनी नहीं, क्या टेरेस होती है. टेरेस. अब जाते हैं नाउ वी आर गोइंग डाउन, जहाँ पे मेन लिविंग रूम है. बट बहुत सब लोग खाना खाए गाइस, तो बट ठीक है. सर तो यहाँ पे नीचे जाके मेन लिविंग रूम आता है. तो ओके, तो ये साइड में 1 more bedroom. So I think total 4 bedrooms, if I'm not wrong. This also has a cupboard, washroom there, and pretty same view जो ऊपर के रूम से आता है. So yay! This is the living area जहाँ पे अभी सब लोग बैठे हैं. It's quite spacious. Believe me. तो यहाँ पे आते हैं. किचन है. This is the kitchen. I'm doing a room tour for them.
You are what, property consultant?
How do you think of the jokes, man? So this is like a kitchen, but यहाँ पे मतलब फ्रिज है. हम लोग कुछ यूज तो करने नहीं वाले ज्यादा. So anyway.
किचन में ही फ्रिज होता है.
लाइक किचन.
ये क्या है? लॉक है, ये लॉक है. ये हाँ बाथरूम है और इधर वॉशिंग मशीन भी है. वाह, कपड़े कौन धोए? ओके, यहाँ पे भी एक वॉशिंग मशीन है. ये भी लॉक है. वो कोने में क्या है? वाह, ये तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. मतलब यहाँ से रास्ता है नीचे जाने के लिए. चल नीचे चल. दिबो 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 पळाली. तो ये है पूल जो फिलहाल बहुत गंदा है. वो उसको लगा कि मैं अभी अंदर जाने वाली हूँ, चिढ़ गई. तो ये पूरा एरिया, यहाँ पे बैठने के लिए भी जगह है. ओके, सो दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट फॉर द tour, but I love it. It's quite spacious also. And ignore how I'm looking because मैं legit 3-3.5 घंटा बाइक पे आई हूँ. चलो बाय. So we had lunch. We had biryani for lunch, and now we're just sitting. The pool is being cleaned. Look at his face. ये सब vlog में आएगा. दिखाना, अब दिखाना. मुंह छुपाने वाले काम क्यों करते हो? तो फिर हम लोग ने अभी लंच किया बिरयानी, चिकन बिरयानी. सब स्पीकिंग इन बिटवीन. एंड अभी पूल क्लीन हो रहा है. स्टॉप इट, for God's sake, if you Nokwa Dada, he's trying to put some water on me for no reason. Then I'll push you inside, So the pool is being cleaned. Meanwhile, we are just sitting. I'm planning to change into my swimsuit. Are you excited to go? I'm going to push you inside for sure. ये लोग का कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है. ऐसे ब्लैंकेट दे.
दूसरा गेम खेलता है.
मेरे को भी हो.
तिकडे बघते बघ. तिकडे बघ. आई फोटो. उचलून टाकेल मग.
God, we came out of the pool. Right now, we were like for 2 hours inside, and clearly we had fun, like no doubt. But I'm super tired because it was too much for exercise, to be honest. This is what I'm wearing because I was feeling super cold, so this is like thick, so I'm not feeling cold. And plus shorts. And now we are having snacks and tea. Teeth I don't have, but rest of them are having. Hey, sarak mat.
This is a chicken masala.
We are marinating chicken for BBQ. BBQ night it is. दिख रहा है क्या?
अभी ये हमारे हमको सिखाएगी कल आई हुई लड़की आई सर लास्ट पैकेट बस हुए अरे फर्स्ट का कौन पैकेट हां ठीक है अच्छा नहीं आप ब्रो मिक्स आई शेक हाताने करते हाताने
चल माझी रुटीन मला दिसू तरी दे मैं कर नहीं रही हूँ लेकिन दिखनी तो चाहिए यार कम ऑन गाइस इतना तो मेरा हक बनता है मीट बरोबर होतं ना हाँ वास घेऊ दे मला मैं वास से बता सकती हूँ राइट है कि नहीं मैंने बता वास से बता वास ले देखो गाइस आपको क्या लगता है मेरे को तो लगता है काफी अच्छा काम किया होगा So the last time I vlogged was when we were having BBQ. तो ऐसा reaction क्यों दे रहा है? They are not letting me vlog purposely, and this one sitting behind right here.
The ghost.
Yes, absolutely. So now BBQ के बाद हम लोग रैकेट खेलने गए थे. वो मैंने व्लॉग नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरा बैटरी बहुत लो था, तो मैंने नहीं किया. वो नॉर्मल बैडमिंटन खेलते थे जैसे नॉर्मल इंसान खेलते वैसे. एंड फिर हम लोग की दो टीम्स थी एंड वी प्लेड क्वाइट वेल. लाइक वी ऑलमोस्ट वन. लाइक यू गेटिंग इट? वी ऑलमोस्ट वन. सो लूजर्स. एंड वेयर इज द अदर पार्टनर? वो खाना खा रहे हैं, बिजी है, छोड़ो. वो मेरे पार्टनर थे बट खेले अच्छा खेले, मतलब ठीक है, चलो क्या खेले अच्छा खेले. एंड नाउ वी आर अगेन प्लेइंग समथिंग. दे आर प्लेइंग दैट मेंडीकोट व्हिच इज कॉल्ड इन दैट पत्ते, बट आई डोंट नो. तो मैं जस्ट देखने वाली हूँ. तो बाकी के लोग है ना पत्ते खेल रहे हैं और इनको और मेरे को नहीं आता था. हम लोग रैकेट खेल रहे हैं. कैसा लगा हार के?
वैसे तो मैं झूठ मूठ का हारा हूँ.
क्या
ये
झूठ
सच
ना यार, काय पणा. And by the way, he's my Jiju. If you're wondering who is he,
आई
he's Obi's dad. If you know that छोटू जो हमेशा बड़बड़ करती रहती है वीडियो में. So ये मैं जीत गई. You know who wins.
गरम पण नाही.